In a small, quiet town, hidden between two large bakeries, there was a very special shop. It was not a toy shop. It was not a candy shop. It was a clock shop. From the moment the sun rose in the morning until the moon appeared at night, the shop was filled with noise. Tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hundreds of clocks ticked together. Big clocks with deep voices, small clocks with fast, high voices. It was like a symphony of time. The master of this shop was an old man named Elias. Elias was famous. People came from faraway cities just to see him. They said he was a magician. Why? Because Elias could fix anything. If a clock stopped beating, Elias could give it life again. He had white, messy hair, big, round glasses, and hands that never shook. He was a genius. But Elias had a secret. He was not happy. Elias was obsessed with time. He believed that time was the most expensive thing in the world. He woke up at 5 a.m. every day. He drank his coffee in 2 minutes. He ate his lunch while working. He never stopped to look out the window. He never stopped to talk to his neighbors. He always said, "I must hurry. Time is money. I cannot waste a single second." Outside his shop, life was beautiful. In the spring, flowers bloomed. In the summer, children played in the street. Neighbors walked by and waved at him. "Hello, Elias, come outside. The sun is warm," they shouted. But Elias never waved back. He only grumbled. "I am busy. Leave me alone. I have clocks to fix." He turned his back on the world. He preferred the company of machines over people. Years went by. Elias's hair turned whiter. His back became bent. One Tuesday afternoon, a heavy rain began to fall. The sky turned gray. Thunder rumbled in the distance. The shop was dark, lit only by a small lamp. Elias was working on a very expensive gold watch for a rich mayor. The shop was silent except for the rain and the ticking. Suddenly, ding-a-ling, the bell above the door rang. A little girl stood in the doorway. She was wearing a bright yellow raincoat that was dripping wet. Her hair was in 2 messy braids. In her small hands, she held a cheap plastic robot. It was broken. One arm was missing, and it did not make any sound. Elias looked over his glasses. "We are closed," he shouted. "Can't you see the sign? Go home." The little girl did not leave. She walked up to the high counter. She placed the wet robot in front of Elias. "Please, sir," she whispered. Her voice was trembling. "This is Mr. Beep. He is my best friend. He stopped moving today. My grandfather said you are a magician. He said you can fix anything." Elias looked at the plastic toy. It was worthless. It cost maybe $2. "I fix gold watches," Elias said coldly. "I fix clocks for kings and mayors. I do not fix trash." "I can pay you," the girl said. She reached into her pocket and pulled out 3 shiny coins. "This is all my money." Elias laughed, a dry, cold laugh. 3 coins? Little girl, my time is worth 100 coins a minute. Time is money. Go buy a new robot. The girl was silent for a moment. Then she said something that made the room feel very quiet. "My grandfather says time is not money. He says time is a gift. You can make more money, but you cannot make more time." Elias froze. His hand holding the tweezers stopped in the air. Time is a gift. Those words, he remembered them. His own father used to say them long ago, before Elias became obsessed with work, before he forgot how to play. He looked at the ticking clocks on the wall. They didn't look like money anymore. They looked like seconds of life disappearing forever. Slowly, Elias put down the mayor's gold watch. He picked up the plastic robot. "What is wrong with him?" Elias asked softly. "His heart stopped beating," the girl said. Elias nodded. "We can fix a heart." For the next hour, the phone rang, but Elias did not answer. Customers knocked, but he did not open. He spent 60 precious minutes fixing a $2 toy, and for the first time in years, he smiled. Whir beep! The robot came back to life. The girl clapped her hands and laughed. "Thank you, Mr. Magician," she cried. She hugged Elias. The old clockmaker felt a warmth in his chest. It was better than any gold coin. "Keep your money," Elias said, giving her back the coins. "You paid me with something better. You reminded me of the truth." The next morning, the sun rose again, but the shop was different. The sign on the door did not say open. It said, "Gone for a walk." Elias walked to the park. He listened to the birds. He watched the clouds. He realized that for 40 years he had been counting the seconds, but he had forgotten to enjoy the moments. The clocks in his shop kept ticking, but Elias was no longer their slave. He was finally free. My dear friend, do not be like Elias before the rain. Do not rush through your life thinking only of work and money. Work is important, yes, but time is the only thing you spend that you can never earn back. Take a slow breath right now. Enjoy this second. It is a gift. That is why we call it the present.